Hello viewers, what's up? This is Mohammad Sajidz. You watching Sajidz Tech, and here in this video I'm going to talking with you about the GTA 5 and how you can download this from the Epic Games. And now you get this news that now you can download this GTA 5 from Epic Game within 21st May 2020, and after that you can use it. And here guys, the most surprising thing is that now if you just take this GTA 5 in your library and you can download it after 1 year or 2 years, whatever you want. So how you can use this Epic Game to download this GTA 5 and how it works, in this video I'm going to talking with you about. So please guys, watch this video first to last so that you get all the information one by one and step by step. And here guys, I request that please watch this video till to the end. So before starting this video, that I have a request: if you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. So first of all guys, here you need to go to in this epicgame.com, and I will give you that website's link in the description. And here from you need to install that website's app. From here click on this Get Epic Games, and after from here it will download that website's app, and I have already downloaded it and installed it in this computer, and here you can see it. And here the whole installation process is as same the other apps, and here after installing it will take an update. It may be from 386 megabytes, so just do it from here. And now after that you need to open it in your desktop. So from here you can sign in with the other accounts. So if you don't have any Epic Game account, now click on the sign up to make a sign up there. And here the sign up is from Bangladesh, my country, and here the first name will be from here. So give the first name, as I just give my first name, the last name, and here the display name that I want to show there. And now here you need to give the email address. So here I will give my email address is here. Now give a password as you wish, and the password must have to be with capital letter and numeric characters. Now click on the I have read, click on the continue, and here it will send a verification code in this email ID. So let's check out this verification code from here, and from here you will get this verification code. So from here I will copy out this and paste out it there. Now click on the verify email, and here it will redirecting me in this page. And everything you must have to be with your this launcher, that means your app, preparing this Epic Game launcher for you. So here you can guys see that we are in our this app, and from here it will be first time looks like that, and after that in the second step here this is the GTA 5. So from here after registrationing, now click on this Get GTA 5 free, and here guys it will take you in this library from here. Now click on this continue, and here they also give you a note that we will provide you at least 1 million bonus cash in GTA Online included with your premium edition as part of the criminal enterprise starter pack. May take up to 7 to 10 days after the player's first session in GTA Online to be reflected in games in their in-game user account. This bonus cash is only available for the first time standard pack owner. So here you can guys see that from here. Now here the fee is for 29.99 for free, as I'm from Bangladeshi, so here it looks like. Now here it is free. Now click on this Get, and from here now you need to enable the two-factor authentication to download it for free. Now click on this enable two-factor authentication, and here it will take you in this browser again in online. It will not in this app, it will be redirecting you now in this browser. So here guys we are there in this page, and here so from here you need to add this two-factor authentication from here, and I will add my enable email authentication, and here we will get this SMS in this specific email ID by which we sign in, and here is our two-factor authentication sign in. Without this two-factor authentication sign in, you will not get this game for free. So be sure that you just make this authentication here. Now click on this continue, and now click on this done. So here I just set the password which said there. So from here new password required. Here we will add new password is there. Now click on this save change. Now from here you can click on this get again. After clicking on get, it will take it in this page, and where from you just buy some games. So click on this place order, and after that guys, it will take this thank you, an email recipient has been sent to you. And after that guys, it will take you in this page. And now after just doing this, now here guys, you need to click on this library, and from here guys, you can see that there I have your game. And after click on this Grand Theft Auto 5, it will take you here in this page. So from here you need to click on this I have read and agree with end user license agreement, and it's simple. Now click on this accept, and from here guys, it will take you in this choose installation location, and from here you can choose your own disk, in which disk you want to take this. But here guys, remember that in which browser you want to take it, and that specific browser, it might have to at least 95 gigabyte space so that it can install and download it there. So from here you can also check this auto update. If you need auto update, automatically it will update and create a shortcut. Now click on this install, and here guys, it will be installed, and once it will start install, you need to click on this downloads option, and from here guys, you can see that this file has downloaded, and here it will be take a bit time, more or less in according to your bandwidth. So here guys, this is the easiest things. And if you don't want to install it just now, that time what you can do is that here from you can just buy this game and store it in your this library, and it's okay. Now whenever you want to download it, that time you can download it from here. You can download it not only today, you can download it after 1 year later. So here, this is the thing that I want to show you. Now guys, you can also download and install this GTA 5 in your PC and play it for free, and it's really legal for you. So here is guys, this is the thing. Now you can do it. Now guys, it's your turn to turn on your PC and download and install this GTA 5 in your PC if you have that specific sufficient RAM and ROM and graphics card. And if you don't have yet, that time just repair your PC, and now you just purchase this game for free and add it to your library, and after that you can just install it. So here's guys, this is the thing. And guys, what's about this thing? Guys, do you like that? If you like, that time I request you, please give a like that video, comment below on this video, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.